With this, we would like to proceed for our next category. The next category is excellence in marketing of packaging solution branding. And the winner is
The winner is Fitspire.
yes, the winner is Fitspire. Many congratulations. I would like to call Mr. Vipin Jain and team. Please come on the stage to collect the award. And we can see that many congratulations to Fitspire. And they are already so fit. The Fitspire is.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Nidhi Jain, co-founder of Fitspire. Okay, Fitspire is India's first premium vegan health and wellness brand, and we aspire people for fitness. And thank you, Synnex Limited for giving us this award. And I'm very honored to receive this award on behalf of Fitspire and marketing team and whole management team. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much and many congratulations to you and team.
Fitspire,
Aspire to fitness.
thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's give them a huge round of applause.